Welcome to how to start your IAR testing on test day. First and foremost, you will have to click in your bookmark to get to this website. This was explained in segment 1. When you get here, you have two options, blue or brown. Blue is what you are going to use to log in live on the testing day. Brown is for practice test. I'm going to use the practice test today to show you how this works, but on the day of the test, again, please use blue. So, clicking on the sign in, you should have already learned how to sign in and get your codes. Once you have signed in, this will take you to your dashboard. Two things that you need to pay attention to in your dashboard. Please make sure that you are on the correct year for testing, and please make sure you are on the correct school for testing. If not, please change those to the correct thing. Next, come over to your dashboard. Go to Sessions. Once you are in Sessions, you are going to get a list of all of the classrooms that will be testing. You are going to click on yours. For me, I am going to click on Training, Welchel. I will come up here, and next to Sessions it says Go to Students in Session. I am going to click on Go to Students in Session. I am going to then click on Training, Welchel. When I do this, 3 bars or 2 bars may, but these are the tests that are available to me. I want to double check that I have the correct students. If I do not, I am in the wrong testing and must cancel and go back and find the correct one. These bars tell me that we are not in testing mode yet, so I need to open up the test. Choose the test that you are testing that day, and then slide. It is not a click, it is a slide. Once that is slid over, your students can log in using their test tickets. You will know that everybody is logged in because this bar will turn green. Look over the status code. Green means active. Then go through the steps that explain the testing process to your students from your booklet. All right. Once you are ready, students will begin testing. As students complete testing, this will turn to blue. The bar will turn blue from completed. If your student is exited, there will be a part of the bar that turns red. All right. You will want to hit the refresh button often to make sure that that happens. Now, if your student is exited, over here on the ready for this test, when they're active, it turns green. If they are exited by accident, it will turn red, just like the code above. You'll click on it and you will turn it to resumed. Again, you'll want to refresh. Once this bar is completely blue, and you'll also know that everyone's done because it'll say completely blue down here, you can close the session. You will not be stopping the session. That is for the district administrator to take care of. Once that is done, students should log out and you can log out and you are done for the day. If you have any questions, please let me know.